Hi, my name is Todd. I'm with Missouri Star Quilt. I've been with the company for 8 years, been in quilting 7.5 years. I do quilting. I do quilting out of the box, in my opinion. I don't follow patterns, and if I use a pattern, I switch it up and make my own. I got the Blue Springs quilt. It's all 2-inch squares, about 40 hours of work of cutting and sewing. There's 5,500 squares roughly. Enjoyed doing it. It's made for the track to raffle off to raise money for a nonprofit. The track is all nonprofit. And then I have my first quilt. We'll drag that off. First quilt I made in memory of my mom, which battled cancer for 15 years, off and on. Everybody thinks panel quilts are easy to do. They're not easy because the panel is never square. I enjoyed doing it. It was an experience to get into quilting. My Fox Racing quilt I drew up and done up. It's all 2.5-inch squares, roughly almost 2,000 squares. It's fun to do. Minky on the back. Minky's fun to quilt with. It's hard to quilt with. Things you probably don't know about me: in my spare time, I like smoking meat, nature, camping, riding four-wheelers, BMX racing, spending time with family and friends at the BMX track. Love irises, planting and growing, butterflies. I showed you what I'd done for fun and quilting. Show us what you made, and be sure to use #MSQC Show and Tell. Thank you and have a great day.